As a teacher in Discovery Streaming Experience, you can set up classrooms that you add your students to, and then you will be able to assign resources and videos for your students to interact with. Your students will also be able to use their school logins to access Discovery Streaming Experience directly, and they will have access to all of the resources that you have for the most part. The one thing they won't be able to do is download any of them, but they will definitely be able to view them. So to do this, you log into your account and click on Classrooms up here at the top. And you'll go over to the left and you'll click on, you could read through this and learn more, but I'm going to say not now. And go over and click on All Classrooms, where you then have a Create Classroom button. Click on it, name your classroom. It's helpful if you put your name as part of the name, so students who have more than one teacher using Discovery Streaming Experience will know exactly which class they're in. And this will be third grade, and I could add a description, uh, you know, uh, maybe this is science and social studies, whatever I want to put. Save. So now I have a classroom, and I want to add my students. When you're looking at your building, you might have several hundred students listed. So you can go ahead and start searching for your students by name, first or last, and you can narrow it down to your grade level. So then you could go through the list of students. I only have one student in my school, so I am simply just going to search for her, and if I look, there she is, and I can now add her to my class. No more saving. Once you add them, they're automatically in there. So now if I go back on the classrooms and I look at it, I can see I have one student, and I can go ahead and click on the name of my class, and I can see my student is here. And if I need to remove a student because they've transferred out, I can simply use this X to remove them.